project. It is a styrofoam airplane. Okay, we are going to assemble it right now. Where is my battery? Oh, here is my battery. Come here. Come here. This is my battery here. I am going to mount it inside. Then plug in the battery for the receiver. Okay. Oh, baliskad. It's reverse. Oh, ito area. Oh, this is my remote control. Now it's moving. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. Now we are going to. Now we are going to refuel the airplane. Refuel. Refuel. Okay. Now I am filling the gas tank, the alcohol gas tank. Okay, now it's full. Now my plane is ready. Okay, this is my starter. Look at that. The tip is made of gasket. Okay. Now, where is my igniter? My igniter. Okay. Now, record na. Now, I am going to install the main wing. Okay. This is the main wing. I am going to install the main wing. This is made from foam. Remember, I just built this from scratch. No plans. Just looking at the pictures of airplane. Okay, now I am going to start. Record ka? Wait. I have forgotten to put back the fuel intake tubing. Okay, ready? Now I am going to start the airplane. Wait a minute. Okay. Palayo isol. Record ka. Kini ka dito ka mo. Ito para makita mo tanan. Kita mo tanan?
Oo.
Lagtang aeroplano, kamera ng aeroplano lang.
Kumalaot ko.
Paan mo?
Oo.
Ayun ba? Kaya mo kuha mo?
Dulom niyo.
Lupulan na subong. Okay lang, din ko. Solve to. Solve to. Dugi-duga mo lang. Ah? Gani. Dugo di sila dah.
Ted! Dali na pala! Ted! Oh, may face ko daw. Di ko.
Approve. Approve.